This is the Cherry Pick channel. Python tutorial videos. PyCharm is a Python development environment, so before moving on, I want to tell you a little more about the features of PyCharm in a few short lessons. I will tell you both about the advanced features of this IDE and about very basic things.
What platforms does PyCharm work on?
You can run PyCharm on Windows, MacOS, or Linux.
How do I get started with PyCharm?
You need to create a new project or open an existing one. To do this, run PyCharm. I've already worked on projects, so PyCharm automatically opens the latest project for me. Let me close it. If I do this via the exit, then PyCharm itself will be closed. To close a project, I need to select Close Project. I will close the project and open the initial welcome window. You will see the same window if you run PyCharm for the first time. I can open existing projects and I can create a new project. Click New Project. In the first line, the path and name of the project that will automatically be selected for you. You can change the path and choose a different folder where your files will be stored. To do this, click on the folder on the right and select the folder you need. You can create a folder immediately. For example, on the desktop. Right-click and select Create New Folder. I'll leave my path as it is and the project name will be Project 10. Next you are asked to choose a virtual environment and the path to it.
Why do I need a virtual environment?
Imagine that you have long created a project on the Python version 3.5. After some time you updated Python, downloaded libraries, which also changed after a year. And let's assume that any changes will not work correctly in older versions. But your program is working and you would like to devote time to new projects and not rewrite your code, because there was an update. Or if I open my project in a year, I want to be sure that all the Python library updates I've downloaded won't break the program code. There is an environment for this. It is usually stored together with the project files. Below I can choose the version of Python that I will work with. If you were given a project with an earlier version, then you can go to the official Python website and download any previous version there. I click Create and PyCharm creates a project with my environment, where the basic libraries are installed and everything I need to get started. If I look at my folder, I'll see my project in it. I can already work, and for example I will create my own file. For beginners, I will say an important thing for you. You don't need to save anything in PyCharm. Everything is saved automatically as soon as you make the changes. For example, I wrote the code and just closed my file. When opened, my code is saved. This is very convenient. But I can open, create and work on multiple projects at the same time. If I select File New Project, a window that is already familiar to us will open. Here I am asked to open the project in a new window or in an existing one. We can opt out or attach new files to an existing project. I can also open an existing project. I can choose a recent project. Or select a project from a folder. All of them will be available for work. PyCharm is very convenient to work with, especially in large projects. It allows you to minimize the human factor, points out errors and corrects the code if necessary. I will shoot some lessons on PyCharm that you can watch at any time of your study. As long as you write short and simple code, you will not be able to fully appreciate the help of the PyCharm environment.